Yes, hi, Catherine. This is Jim Delapine here, and I want to give you some video feedback on your character. And whoops, let me just do this. And okay, so I am looking at your character here. First of all, remember that this needs to be within a 6 by 8 inch area, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment. But I don't know what character this is. I cannot tell based on your elements here which one it represents. You've got a flower, a golf ball, a paper clip that looks like it's been broken apart, and doors in the background. So if it's Fantasia Furniture Fairy, it's not working because all of the elements have to be character related. All right, so you have to kind of like rethink this. Okay. Um, the second thing is that you're not doing your layer masks correctly. So what I'm going to do is show you. Like here's, for example, Lillian's. Okay. If I so with regards to this cup, okay, so if I hide the layer mask, I should be able to see the original image. So let me just hide all of the other layers except this one. Okay. Now watch what I do. I'm gonna disable the layer mask. So that's the original image that she had to work with. So that's what I should be able to see, the original image. On yours, I do not. It means that what you've done is deleted pixels. So, for example, I'll isolate the golf ball, okay? And then right-click and disable that layer mask, and it's deleted pixels. So it's called non-destructive editing, and you need to basically paint on the layer mask to mask out the background of any object. Okay, so we go through that in detail in the video I sent out to everyone for this particular assignment or submission. All right, so you need to look through that again more carefully. You need to rethink this character and choose appropriate elements for this. And you need to rescale the character so that it fits within a 6 by 8 inch area. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So, okay, so you have the size right. If I go to image size, I see that I have 8 by 10 by 300. So that's perfect. All right, great job there. So I'm going to drag down my guidelines here to the 1 inch mark. And then drag it. Oh, actually, you have your guidelines up. Okay, so what you need to do is size your character to fit somewhere within that area. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to select the top layer, right, and then scroll down to the bottom above, well, I guess layer 5 here. So shift clicking will select all of those layers at the same time. So now they're all selected. So now if I hit Control T, that's the shortcut for free transform. Okay? So the next part you have to do carefully. Click on any corner bounding box, click and start dragging, and then hold down the Shift key. The Shift key will constrain the height and the width. If you don't hold down the Shift key, you're going to make it too fat, too thin, etc. Okay, so the Shift key held down as you're dragging. All right, so I'm going to go to about there. It's about there. And then let go of the cursor first, and then let go of the Shift key last. Then you can click and drag and move this into position, and something like that would be fine. Okay? And then hit Enter to apply that transformation. All right? So you kind of have a mess going on, to be blunt. I mean, you know, it looks like you've taken these apart and tried to connect them together to create a character. It's just simply not working, you know, because these are not connected. So look at the samples in the announcement area and review the video I sent out on how to put this together with regards to the layer masks especially. You have to have, the whole point of this assignment is to work with layer masks, and you have them, but you did not do them correctly, okay? So, I mean, I could choose any one of these, like, for example, this one, and I disable it. I see there's a tiny little piece here. So I don't know. It's not working. Okay, so you have to rethink that, right? If I enable it again, I see a little piece that disappears or is masked out. All right. I hope that helped, and take care. Bye.